हाय चिल्ड्रन, नमस्ते। कैसे हैं सब लोग? ठीक है ना? ओणम सब कैसे था? खूब मनाया? How was your Onam celebration? Did you enjoy well? Yes children, today I am going to take our next Saurashtra letter O. The Saurashtra letter O.
आओ सीखें ओ की मात्रा वाले शब्द। त जमा ओ की मात्रा जमा प, तोप। त जमा ओ की मात्रा जमा ता, तोता। ल जमा ओ की मात्रा जमा ग, लोग। म जमा ओ की मात्रा जमा र, मोर। स जमा ओ की मात्रा जमा ना, सोना। ह जमा ओ की मात्रा जमा ड़ा, घोड़ा। च जमा ओ की मात्रा जमा र, चोर। ट जमा ओ की मात्रा जमा पी, टोपी। ढ जमा ओ की मात्रा जमा ल, ढोल। क जमा ओ की मात्रा जमा य जमा ल, कोयल। क जमा ओ की मात्रा जमा य जमा ला, कोयला।
Now we are going to study the letter O and its symbol. Look here. This is the symbol O. This is the Saurashtra letter O and it is the symbol. This symbol comes always after the letter. See some examples. See, this is the letter Ka. Ka. And add the symbol of O. Ka adik O. This is the symbol of O. Is Ko. See how to write the symbol of O with Ka. O. Ko. Ka adik O. Ko. Cha अधिक ओ चो वा अधिक ओ वो मा अधिक ओ मो पा पा अधिक ओ पो ला अधिक ओ लो सी read it का अधिक ओ को चा अधिक ओ चो वा अधिक ओ वो मा अधिक ओ मो पा अधिक ओ पो ला अधिक o lo. So always this symbol, the symbol of o comes after the letter, not before the letter, not above the letter, not below the letter. The symbol always added after the letter. Got it? How to write the symbol of o? 1 standing line, sleeping line, then a loop this way touching here above on the slanting line. Do not write this way. Ka adik o ko. If you are writing ko, this is wrong. Cha cho. If you are writing cho, this way, this also wrong. So write properly. This is the way you have to write the symbol of O. Is it clear? So dear children, we have already learned symbols like the symbol of A, Ka adik A, Ka, Ka adik E, Ki, Ka adik E, Ki, Ka adik U, Ku, Ka adik U, Ku, Ka adik Ri, Kri, Ka adik E, K, Ka adik A, K. Today we learn Ka adik O, Ko. Yes? Now look here. Ka, Ki, Ki, Ku, Ku, Kri, Ke, Kei, Ko. So we learned all these symbols Yes. A, E, E, U, U, Ri, A, I, A, O. Yes. All these symbols we learned. What is the meaning of symbol? Chinnam, chinnangal. In Malayalam we know chinnangal, Malayala chinnangal. No? So the same way these are the symbols, chinnangal. Yes. So this you have to by heart. These symbols you have to by heart. So write and practice. See again. See children. Here I have used all the symbols which we learned. Just read. Ma, ma, mi, me, mu, mu, mri, me, may, mo. The same way use all the symbols with the letter of va. Just see how to use the all these symbols with va. Va, va, vi, vu, vu, vr, ve, vei, vo. Is it clear? I hope you understood how to write the symbol of O. Is it clear? Let us open the textbook, page number 25. See, read the textbook. Part से O की मात्रा, the symbol of O. अक्षर के बाद ओ की मात्रा लगाई जाए तो उस अक्षर का उच्चारण ओ ध्वनि के साथ होता है. When the symbol O is added after a letter, the letter is pronounced with the sound O. जैसे का अधिक O, को. See the Swarashar letter O, and it is the symbol of O. See here. Now see the next heading. O की मात्रा वाले शब्द, words with the symbol O. Read after me. Read loudly, children. Ma अधिक O, अधिक R. More, more. What is the meaning of more? See, peacock. More means peacock. Second one, ta अधिक O अधिक pa अधिक E. Topi, topi. Topi means cap. Ta अधिक O अधिक ta अधिक A. Tota. What is tota? Parrot. Tota means parrot. See here. La अधिक E अधिक खा अधिक O. Liko. Liko. Liko means right. La अधिक E अधिक खा अधिक O. Liko. Why this symbol? Which symbol it is? It is the symbol of E. Choti E. Yes. So this symbol always added before the letter. Yes, before the letter. So that is why this symbol comes first. Liko. Liko means right. Now you study the name of the pictures. More, topi, tota, liko. More, topi, tota, liko. Write and study these pictures' name. You have to study the spelling of more, topi, tota, liko. Read one more time. Ma adik o adik ra more. Ta adik o adik pa adik e topi. Ta adik o adik ta adik a tota. La adik e adik kha adik o liko. Now you move to next page. Okay dear children, now we can read and learn these box words. Okay, read it. शब्दों को पढ़िए और सीखिए. Read and learn these words. Read after me. Okay. More. Read after me. More. Chore. Shore. Goal. Doll. Top. More. Peacock. Chore. Thief. Shore. Noise. Goal. A circle or anything round. Doll. A kind of drum. Drum. Top. Cannon. Top. Cannon. C-A-N-N-O-N. Cannon. See, all this O-ki matra comes after the letter. Did you see? O-ki matra comes after the letter. Okay. Read again. More, chore, shore, goal, doll, top. See the second line. Koda, suno, karo, liko, chalo, baro. Koda, horse. Suno, listen or hear. Karo, do. Liko, write. Chalo, walk. W-A-L-K, walk. Baro, fill. F-I-L-L, fill. Read again. Koda, suno, karo, liko, chalo, baro. See the third line. Coat, mota, mohan, lota, koda, tota. Coat. What is the meaning of coat? Coat means killa or a fort. Fort. F-O-R-T. Fort. Mota, fat. Mohan, name of a person. Mohan. Lota. Lota means a small vessel. Chota patra. Small vessel. Koda. Here the repetition. Koda. Koda. Horse. Tota. Parrot. Read again. Coat, mota, mohan, lota, koda, tota. Are you following me? Read after me, okay? See the last line. ओखली, होटल, बोतल, टोपी, ढोलक, गोरी. ओखली, mortar, mortar, mortar. Hotel means hotel. Bottle means bottle, water bottle. Topi, cap. Dolak, small drum. Gori, fair-skinned woman. Gori means a fair-skinned woman, or white, the color white. Read again. Okhali, hotel, botal, topi, dolak, gori. So this you read 5 times and study the pronunciation. See children, after reading these box words, we can read and study the meaning. So today you have to learn and study 6 meanings. A total 12 meanings are there. Today study only 6 meanings. See the first one, bag. Bag means garden. Bag, garden. Say all of you, bag, garden. Study the second one, pashi. Pashi, bird. Very easy, no? Pashi. Coil. Who is coil? Cuckoo. Coil means cuckoo, quail. Asman. Asman, sky. We say in Malayalam, Agasham. No, see here Agash also. Another word for Asman or sky is Agash. Asman, sky. See the fifth one, khas. Grass. Khas, grass. See another bird, more. Peacock. So these 6 meanings only you study today. Read once again. Bag, garden, pashi, bird, coil, cuckoo, asman, sky, cars, grass, more, peacock. Learn. Now you go to page 27. See, write the name of the pictures in the blanks. You please try to say the answers. What is it? Yes, a drum. Dolak. Yes. And see this picture. What is it? Cap. What we studied for cap? Topi. And this, what is it? It is mortar. For mortar, okhali. And this is a bottle. For bottle, botal. And it is a horse. For horse, khoda. See the parrot. Parrot in Hindi, tota. So you have to write the Hindi name of these pictures and study. Write and study the spelling of the name of these pictures. Clear? See children, this is the spelling of the picture's name. Okay, so this look and write in the textbook. Dolak, topi, okhali, botal, khoda, tota. Write these names in the textbook. Okay. Now you move to page number 29. See here, लिखना writing. नीचे दिए शब्दों का सही उच्चारण कीजिए और रिक्त स्थानों में लिखिए. Read aloud the following words using the correct pronunciation. Write the words 2 times in the blanks. So read aloud and write these words 2 times in the blanks. Read it. Chore. Chore. Here below the line, write twice. Karo. Baro. Lota. Bottle. Topi. Gori. Fado. See the next one, a creative activity. नीचे दिए गए चित्र को देखकर शब्द लड़ी पूरी कीजिए. Complete the word ladder with the help of the pictures given below. This you try to complete it. Next class I will give the answer. You just try. See children, now you open your notebook, take a new page and write the heading Part 6 O की मात्रा. Underline. The next line, write the letter O and its symbol like this way. And write some examples. Ka adik O, ko. Cha adik O, cho. Ma adik O, mo. La adik O, lo. Sha adik O, sho. Then go to next page and write this heading. Write 5 words using O की मात्रा. मोर, तोता, कोयल, टोपी, होटल. After completing it, you have to write next heading. Write next heading new words, that is dictation words. See these 10 dictation words. I will conduct a test next video class. So next video class, before starting it, you have to take a piece of paper or an A4 sheet, write your name, class, division, and you have to, I will dictate. That time you have to write, and after writing it, soon after the class, you have to take a photo of the dictation words and send it to my WhatsApp number. Okay, read it. 1 khoda, khoda. Topi, more. Tota, okali. Chalo, goal. Suno, chor, liko. Next video class I will be conducting these dictation test. Clear? If you have any doubt, you can contact me. Now see the homework. In test book, you have to read 5 times test book and complete page number 27 and 29. And in notebook, write the lesson 6 notes and meaning, 6 meaning and new words write. Then in copy, practice, write and study 5 times the 6 meanings and words in the box, that is in page number 26, that all the words write 3 times and practice. Study the dictation words. So dear children, let me wind up this session. Study well for tomorrow's class test. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Bye bye.